Ready to take the wheel on your investments and fine-tune your portfolio? But maybe you still want the smarts of a robo-advisor to handle the heavy lifting. That's exactly what Betterment's flexible portfolios are for. This isn't just about picking a risk level, it's about customizing your investment mix with the benefit of Betterment's automation. Betterment's core portfolios are a fantastic set-it-and-forget-it option, but flexible portfolios give you the power to adjust the asset class weights to match your personal beliefs and market views. You can increase your exposure to tech stocks, tilt toward value, or even add more bonds if you're feeling a little cautious. This is a game changer for those who want a more hands-on approach without having to manage every single trade themselves. So, how do you do it? First, log into your Betterment account on a web browser. This isn't an option on the mobile app. From your account page, find the Edit button under Portfolio Strategy. From there, you can switch to a flexible portfolio. You'll be presented with a default allocation, which is a great starting point, but the real power is in the sliders. You can now adjust the percentages for each individual asset class, like U.S. stocks, international bonds, or even add new ones not available in the core portfolios, like commodities or REITs. As you make your changes, Betterment provides instant feedback, rating your new portfolio's risk and diversification. This is a crucial feature because it helps you understand the potential impact of your decisions. You can experiment with different allocations and see the projected outcomes before you commit. It's important to remember that with this control comes responsibility. Betterment's tax-smart features like tax loss harvesting and rebalancing still work, but altering your allocation too much can impact their effectiveness. You're in charge, so you need to be confident in your choices. The flexible portfolio is for experienced investors who want more control while still leveraging Betterment's core technology. It's a way to personalize your strategy and align your portfolio with your unique goals and values. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.